Good morning. It is great to see you all here again at the beginning of the second week of term. I hope that last week was one of great success. No doubt one or two ups and downs, but much learned from our experiences. We are only going to be here for a short period of time before moving into different areas of the school. Those of you looking for the answers to spot the difference will need to be quick. Please be clear that this challenge only applies to when I am sat here in my chair in the office. The week ahead is full of interesting days, and I'm going to share with you some ideas to focus on during each of the next 5 days. Let's go!
Week. Here I am on the Hobridge estate, helping out this morning. Why don't you do the same? Put on some old clothes, go out into the garden, mow the lawn, pull up some weeds, or sprinkle the flower beds. Have fun. I've always wanted to do this.
Tuesday is a Hobridge Awareness Day orientated around food. Make something you have never made before. Eat healthy. Bake a cake. But focus on the wonderful ways in which we can all enjoy the food that we eat. What do you think, Chef Tom?
Hello everyone, I love making Rocky Road. All you need is good chocolate, golden syrup and butter and all of your favourite biscuits. Give it a go, let us know how it goes, keep safe and have fun.
Ooh, that sounds really good. Thank you, Tom. Wednesday is National Disco Day, so put on some music and get a little disco dancing going with your families. Yeah! Thursday is Hobridge Kindness Day. I ask you all to do something nice and kind for each and every member of your immediate family. Let us use this day to put smiles on faces, warmth in our hearts, and create a little extra love for our parents, brothers and sisters. Friday is the 1st of May and is the beginning of Share a Story Month and National Walking Month. So enjoy some books, read lots of stories with your families and go for walks around the garden or if you can, in a heath or on the fields. Enjoy! It now gives me great pleasure to announce this week's birthdays. So many happy returns to Isabella Cassia, Oliver Bowen, Thomas Seghetti, William Hughes, Akshaya Adrian, Freddie Gibbs and Micah Sylvester. I hope you all have a wonderful day and spend quality time with your families. Good luck to those of you involved in the Spot the Difference challenge. May I remind you that each week there will be 5 differences from me sat here at my desk in my office. All you need to do is note down those differences, send your answers to her reception at hobridgeschool.co.uk and finally check the bulletin for this Friday for the answers. Good luck with this week coming up. Your teachers are continuing to work very hard in creating diverse and interesting challenges for you all. So enjoy the week and apply a positive mentality to everything you do. Goodbye, stay safe, and God bless.